Hello my awesome people, welcome back to Forever Clean. Today I will be organizing our cabinet above my countertop here. We usually like to keep like my spices, some canned goods, a few other dry goods, and like my foil wrap and aluminum foil and like my plastic bags and stuff like that. So it need a little bit of organization. Also, I'm going to be putting down some new shelf liner and all that good stuff and getting it all organized for you guys and give you some organizing motivation. Again, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family, guys. We're going to be sharing a lot of exciting content here on Forever Clean, guys, and I'm excited to have you here today, guys. So sit back and relax, and you can clean with me, or you can just watch me organize, guys. Whatever works for you, regardless of the fact, you are going to get some organizing motivation today from Forever Clean, guys. So let's get started.
Slow motion.
Woman line. I love this shelf liner. It looks awesome in the cabinet. Whenever I apply it to the cabinet, guys, it just makes my space beautiful, and I just enjoy a cohesive space with everything organized and everything looking like the same pattern in regards to shelf liner. So I have decided to purchase this for our other cabinets and to do it all around our kitchen. So it may be a little pricey, but I'm going to take a cabinet at a time and get it organized, guys. I love this liner. So if you have not seen it in Walmart, pick it up. Or if you prefer another type of liner, regardless of the fact is, this is my choice, guys, and I love it, but I think you will love it as well. So check it out. Again, it is from Walmart.
In slow motion. Like a sunrise warming us up. Been spending all your time lifting me up. All of the things I've been worrying seem to be disappearing now, reminding me what days should be made of. On a good time, I've been chasing butterflies all afternoon. Night drives, cruising on the highlights, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how everything is looking so far. I just want to let you know, sorry for the lighting, but this is like where we keep our canned goods. We don't buy many like canned items or whatever, so this is where we're keeping like the manwich sauce, the beans, a few salmon. That's all of the canned goods I got right now. Like I said, we don't eat a lot of canned food. I usually like buy some frozen vegetables or things like that. So that's how it's looking so far. And anything I buy, I like to just keep right there handy in here or whatever. So I know this is like all the canned goods section. So whenever I come home and the kids are putting up grocery for us, I can just tell them to go to this section and put all the canned items in this section. This section right here, I redone. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna put on the shelves, but I will show you the finished product. And I did get these little chef riser things from like TJ Maxx. So guys, don't you just love the Pioneer Woman liner in the cabinet? It just makes me happy to have everything nice and neat. So that like sets a tone for your space to try to like keep it neat. So if you have everything, I'm not saying it has to be all picture perfect. I'm not saying that. But for me, I think it helps better on controlling the space and making sure the space stays neat if it looks nice, pretty, and organized. I'm not saying go out and buy all these expensive organizing products. I'm just saying just to make your space more cohesive. So we do eat a lot of the pasta. I know it's bad for you guys, but my kids love it. So this is the area where I always kept the pasta stored. And so that's just like some box pasta, the little bow tie pasta. This is like some spaghetti pasta and a little box of lasagna. This is where I've always stored the aluminum foil sheets and aluminum foil wraps. So I store that there. This is where I've always stored the cake mix boxes. So this is how it's looking so far. This is where I've always stored the sauces in this little red container here. This is where my son loves peanut butter and jelly, so I have a spot for him so he'll know where his peanut butter and like extra items are being this bin. And this is just like a miscellaneous bin. I never labeled this bin, so this is where I would keep like Jiffy cornbread or any extra items that we should buy, like runs over, the things that we catch on sale. I usually put on this bin right here because I don't have a designated spot. I just only have a designated spot for the items that we usually use most, so that will help organize my space. And whenever I come home from grocery shopping, I can just know where everything goes. So this is how it's looking so far. Here on my channel, I'm going to be starting like an organized. This is the first video of the organized kitchen with me. Actually, yes, I did another video with the organized of my junk drawer. So I'm going to start putting these out on my organized series on my channel to help you get organized. Usually before the fall, I usually like to have everything nice and clean and organized. So this is how it's looking, guys. We're gonna continue, guys.
All of the things I've been worrying seem to be disappearing now, reminding me what days should be made of. Sunshine betting on a good
Okay, guys, I'm all done. So let's take a look at the finished product, guys. Hope you enjoy it.
Just cruising on the highlight, spending all of my time kicking with you, honey, with you. Ooh, honey, with you. Oh. We're on a coaster, we're on a cloud. Hands in the stars, we're beautiful now.
Okay, my awesome people, we are coming to the end of my video for today. I hope I have given you some organizing motivation to organize a space in your home. Like I always say, guys, just take one space at a time. You do not have to put so much pressure on yourself to organize your whole home or clean your whole home in one day, guys. Do not do it. I do not even do it. So guys, just take one space at a time. You will get there, you will get organized, you will clean up a space, and you will feel awesome about yourself. I consider cleaning as a therapy mechanism for me, just to cope with stress or anything that's going in my life. I clean. That's just, it works for me, guys. So that's what I tend to do a lot to relieve stress, or just to get me in the mood to organize or do other things that's going on in my life. Spend time with my family. Whenever I have a clean space, it makes me more productive, and it makes me want to keep my home in an organized manner. So guys, I thank you for joining me here today on Forever Clean. If you do not have your bell notification on, guys, turn it on, guys. Please join me, be a part of my journey here on YouTube, and I just love it. Thank you for joining me here. So until next time, guys, see ya.
Beautiful now.